So we're supposed to continue from where we stopped.
And so just pull the.
So Kevin has been added, right?
Okay. Yes,
Yeah.
yes, I added him as a collaborator, but I don't think he has accepted it. So
Okay. Okay. Where were we?
I'm going to start the timer from here. I'll use the timer from before. I think that is better.
Okay. This is where we stopped yesterday. So
This is where we stopped. So we need to
need to
start with
open.
the contents below the video.
Okay. Okay. You said this. We can change it later on.
You mean all the pictures?
Mm.
Yes, we are going to change the pictures later on. Let's set at least the picture are aligning the way we want them to align. Let us work on the content of the comments and everything. So I'm starting your 30 minutes now.
Okay. Oh, I need. Where is this YouTube video I used for? Not this. Not this. Not this. Not this.
Check your Slack.
Let me just use
Check your Slack.
this one. Yeah, that's what I'm going. Are you seeing my screen?
Come again. If you go check your Slack or the way button.
Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Hello?
I can see your
Can
screen.
you see my screen?
I can see your screen.
No, I'm asking if you can see my screen. Okay.
No. I can't see it anymore. Hello?
Can you hear me?
I can hear you. Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
So I think immediately you pull. When you pull, oh, I don't think.
Can you see this? I hope you are seeing my screen.
Yes, I can see it.
Okay.
I was thinking maybe when you pull, then we should create another branch for. Then we should name that branch maybe comment section or something.
Okay. Well, in this case now we are still on startup branch.
Yes, we're on a startup branch.
So are we now creating? Okay, let's see.
We just
Comments.
write comments. Yes, comments. Yeah.
Okay. Should I push it before even switching?
No, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. So now,
Okay.
when you are pushing now, you're going to be pushing to origin comments.
To be going to this branch, but
You're
I'll
going
push this branch to remote.
He said?
I will have to push this branch to the remote now.
Yes, what I'm saying, when you are pushing it, you'll be pushing it to origin comments.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you just send me that link again? I don't find it. I've been looking at it for.
That's it. I just sent it to you 11:24.
This?
No, not that one. Go down. Yeah, that one, the one in red.
Okay. All right. Okay. So we have.
Hey there, my name's Eric Troutman, and today I'm gonna teach.
Sorry, the video was playing.
Yeah, I know. I can hear it.
So yeah, let me just use a P tag here directly.
Fastest way to become a software developer.
Said?
No, I'm saying the title of the video.
Oh, it's not the same. Well, we'll change it. I think after. I think it's inside of this content. Yeah. Okay. Need to increase the font size a bit. Okay, we'll deal with that. Let me continue with the rest of it. So we have, after that we have this, these icons. Yeah. I'll just use a P there, another P with spans. Right. I'm using a piece so that I'll just add spans across instead of using divs.
Okay.
So after this, we are going to have a span that will just flip to the right. Okay. So span with different icons. We call this. Okay, I think let's just call it a class. Oh, convention. You know, I've been using camel case, and you are using iPhone, right?
You're not using camel case. You're using iPhone.
No. If you look at these classes, I always use the.
Okay.
Okay, so let's see. I'm breaking our naming convention. Okay, so in this pan, I'm going to have different icons. Let's see. Font also. Icons. Yeah. So the first one is thumbs up. Okay. That is likes.
Yeah.
So, like. This one. Thumbs up. If a thumbs up. So, right. Yes. Thumbs up. Then we have, let me just add the text. Okay. Yeah. Are you with me? Hello? 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 Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, I was asking if you could hear me. I couldn't hear you again.
Yes, I think I can hear you now.
Okay.
Yeah, the thing went off for a couple of seconds and then it came back. I don't understand what is wrong today. When the network started working very well, then Gmail starts, Google starts working somehow.
Okay, you didn't get what?
I said when the network is working fine, the Hangouts won't work. When the Hangouts is working, the network will work somehow. So it's frustrating.
Don't worry, we'll overcome it. just a matter of, okay. I just want to add all of them before arranging it.
Okay.
Yeah.
You're adding thumbs up 2 times.
Is that thumbs up? The other one should be thumbs down.
Yeah.
Well, let's hope it comes out like that.
No, it is dislike. Okay, thumbs down.
Yeah. I think it should be.
Yeah.
Okay. But well, let me just add everything first. Then we have this icon again. Share. Share. Okay, it's there. All right. That makes it easier. So this will be share.
It can't be FA thumbs. There can't be FA thumbs.
Sorry. That's to show that you are on my screen. Yeah. Okay. Share. So. What's wrong with my spelling?
It's capital letter now. Is it not?
No, it's oh, I was even right. Okay. Now we have at. You know, when I checked somebody's project, that all that text you are adding now, they just use image. That is not fair.
Exactly. You just go to Google, YouTube, crop out an image and just
Oh,
paste
no.
it. And then just paste it.
It's not fair at all. Okay, it's a combination of I think there are 2 icons there. No, it's supposed to be 1. No.
And no, some of these many of these icons are premium icons. So you are not paying, you won't have it.
Okay.
Let me look for it. Let me see. Let me see if you are going to see.
Getting close at least. Almost all the ones here are. When we use for square boxes, what did we use?
When was that?
Okay, this one we use something like this, but not this. We just need to use a add icon. Let's use any of the add here.
You can use this one. You can use the one. No, to the right. Yes, that one. Plus square.
As if we are adding it's looking like a red cross.
Yeah, well, you have no choice.
Red cross.
Is it square plus or plus square?
I think it's square plus. Oh, plus is plus square.
Yeah, correct.
Why is it adding? Okay, I didn't save. Okay, the last one. This is normally dots. What do you call that?
Ellipsis.
Yeah. Ellipsis. Okay. Ellipsis. All right. So let me just add this before arranging. We have a tiny thing below that, more like a tag. We'll reduce it later on. Okay, so for these ones, you need to space them out.
I think that the font is too big for them.
No, it's taking the style we already gave here. So what you can do is you can with relation to this P, reduce the font. So we have a P, and then I don't think we have any I in another P somewhere.
No, I don't think so.
Okay. Okay, let me just do it from here, then I'll reduce it on the code. So that's too small. I think it's okay.
Yeah, this is okay.
Yeah, 17 px. So we can target the from P.
PI. Yeah, that should catch it.
Okay.
Yeah, it should catch it.
Font size 17 px. We also need margin.
Did you set 17? I'm not sure.
No, it's 70 px.
Okay.
We also need I think margin left. Yeah. Margin left. Say 10 px. Okay. I should do. Oh, the text also has to reduce. Margin left, margin right, 5 pixel. Just margin right. I just want to space it with the text from the text. Okay, that's okay. And the text size should also reduce. I think we can do that from all these are in a P. So if we can apply it on the P directly, font size. Are you with me? Hello? Hello. Okay, so let me add a border button for the likes and share. And just for the likes. Let's see. I just want to check the font family of this. Okay. I can't find that. Okay. I need to add an underline here. So for that, just between this, and so we can add a span here. Say span. Can call it likes. Likes and dislikes. So just to add the border at the bottom, that's why I'm doing this. So this two will be here. Okay. Okay. So X. This will have a border bottom. Border bottom 1px solid gray. Yeah. Can increase this a bit to px. So in that case, there's going to be padding bottom 5px. Okay. Or let it align with the so this will do. So I'll add it on the likes and dislikes. Okay. Copy this. And bring it down here. Okay. So that should give us what we want. Yeah. Okay. So we need a little font weight. Font weight 400. Let's increase it a bit. Yeah. Okay. I think. No. That's too much. 600. 500. No, don't need this. Just need more padding. Padding right. Need to increase the padding right a little bit. Padding right, padding left. Let's make it 15 px. Okay. Let's see. The font weight here, it's there's a font weight. Hello?
I'm back.
Oh, nice. Okay. So let me just explain what I have done so far. Oh, I added something. It has gone off. Okay.
Were you able to install the atom?
Oh, no.
Okay.
You prefer using that?
No. In the long run, I would like if we both use it.
Okay. No problem. I will install it. Okay, let me just add this line. This line here, and this part is complete. The border bottom.
Okay.
It's true. I've already done that. I don't know why it's not showing.
Would you mind if the HR okay, it can't go the way it can't go lower than that? Because I can see that on the YouTube page, the distance is a bit much than what I'm seeing on your screen. The HR tag is gone. Okay, is that?
Is that? Are you sure it's not equal same?
Come again?
The distance. Are you sure it's not same? Look at this one.
Now go
And
back
then
to.
this is us.
Okay. I guess maybe it's from the way I'm looking at from here.
So this will give this line.
That's nice.
I don't know why it's not picking.
That's the chain right now, right?
When I go
And
to the
and the code is on the CSS too.
yeah, when I refresh, it goes
Okay,
off.
you gave them a separate class.
Exactly. I added a span across those two. This
That's,
span
would you
for
mind?
the
What if you remove the span and then copy the class, copy that likes dislikes into the two eyes.
okay directly.
Yes.
I hope there will be space between them. That's another thing again. No, that won't work because we have a margin. Do you get what I mean?
Yeah, but let's see. Let's see if just see if it's going to show up. Then you can work on
I don't know.
the.
It actually showed, though. I don't know why it went. Okay. Maybe I have not.
Remove the line. Okay, on line 42. Okay, also. Okay. Refresh it and let's see. Okay. So now it's not showing across. Okay, 400 also has the border. The
Apart from that,
icon, 400, all of that. Okay.
we have apart from that, we have a margin too. But wait, let's see why this is not showing. In case this one. But before you came on, it was showing. Oh, maybe I've touched something. This was showing actually. Yeah, so I don't know this, except
No, just leave the cursor on top of the span class statement. That is a single S, it should be double S.
it's what?
Span class, if you read that line you're on right now, it says it's single S, it should be double S.
Ah, wow. This is one of the main advantages of uh, pair programming. Hmm. I could just be thinking and thinking and thinking. What is the problem? Yeah, we have it.
Very good.
Okay. I think it's looking like what we have there. Just that our font size is still a bit big.
Yeah,
No, no, no.
we should be able to work on that sooner or later.
Okay, so
You can shoot it over.
oh, my time is up.
Yeah, it went up immediately I came back on.
Okay, let me push it to you.
Then please, as soon as you push it, just start a timer on your end. Because I'll be distracted with it from over here.
Okay, no problem. Okay, what you mean, if I push it now to this branch, the branch will also be pushed to the repo, right?
No, when you do Git, have you committed everything?
Not yet. I'm just about to do that.
When you do Git push instead of Git push startup like I've been doing before, you'll now be doing Git push origin comments.
Okay, so our setup has not been meshed yet.
Come
Okay,
again?
our startup is not meshed yet.
It's not much yet because I think
It's supposed to be a pull
yeah,
request.
yeah. You can create the pull request. Maybe when we are done today, you do that. That means you have to create two separate PRs. So maybe you can send the PR for comment and then I send the PR for startup. Either way.
Okay, better, better. Okay, you can now.
Okay. Are you hearing the background noise?
Not too much.
Because I just switched on the fan. It's coffee in my room. But you can see my screen. Oh, no, I'm not sharing it. Oh, how could I forget? Okay. Edit push origin.
I'm starting the timer now.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Mm, This is our page. Wow, this is looking awesome. All right.
Yeah.
Uh, this is the this is the templates. Do you know how to do something like this?
Mm, You mean the small image?
Yeah, the T in a circle. I'll do that later anyway. So let me start.
Okay, you know what? It's actually the two of them
Mm-hmm.
is they are in one div, and then the image is floated right, and then this other text is floated left.
Okay.
This is where we did, we did we wanted to do the boxes at the right.
Yeah, before we decided to use video pictures.
Exactly. So whatever text we are adding at the right, if you keep coming down, leaving a space for that image.
Yeah. I'm looking for. This is where it's cooked.
Okay.
Let's do. Let's do my email itself. So I have to type. I have to type by hand. This class. Okay.
This will be the full day.
Where is this div coming from?
I don't think you've closed the one you just opened.
I've closed this one now. I've removed that. So div class. So I can call it. Let me see.
Okay, hold on. Wait, that subscribe button, is it
Yeah, it's a
part
button.
of it's part of the div?
Yeah, it's part of the div, but it's floated to the right.
Okay. Uh, trying to understand. Is it that you minimized your screen? Your
No,
laptop?
I splitted the window. The window I'm designed to the left, and then my file editor to the right.
God,
Can't you see my full screen?
okay. What we did up next is now coming down.
Come again?
The up next and the autoplay is now down.
Let me show. I don't understand what you're saying. Yeah, okay, it's not. The video. It is responsive.
Okay.
So
No wonder.
I just need this to do this part. Then I'll take it back to. I need it to do this part. Then I'll take it back to the way it was.
Okay, this part now, is it like repetitive for
No, it's just it goes under the video, just directly under the video. The other project, then I'll put the button, then I'll put this text and this show more, then another HR tag, then we'll continue. As soon as we get to this place, that is where the repetition comes in.
okay, I get. In essence, the same thing that we are going to achieve here, we can still use it down. Can
Yes.
still, yeah. Okay.
Oh, no, it's not the only project. What are we doing? What's the title of that project?
Okay, in our own video.
Yes, we have no title. We go back to, okay, this is it.
Okay.
Okay, this is it. The happy cat.
Cat. You didn't add the image div.
I'm going to add it. I'm going to add it.
Okay.
So I want to use the image we used as the profile picture as
Okay,
a
the app.
placeholder. Yeah, that's one. I want to use it as a placeholder, pending when I don't know. The, I don't know what
Who
it's. I think
is
it's user.
user?
User. Okay. If I push text title, that's the div, the P inside the text title.
How many times? Okay.
What height did we give this here? Let me go and look for it.
The image.
Yes, the image on top.
Just give it plus user. Pick. No, not that one. No. Is it that one?
Not that one. I think I was selecting the wrong image.
Mm,
Okay, I've seen it. This is it. Still too big, but it's actually okay. It's actually okay for this part. Okay, because let me see. No, it's not okay. It's not okay. It's not okay. Still big. Let me inspect this page and fix it.
this is okay. Hello? Oops, lost him. Lost him, lost him, lost him.
Hello.
Hello?
Oh, I lost you for a while there.
I was wondering.
Am I still sharing my screen?
No?
No?
Okay. I wanted to suggest something.
I'm listening.
Okay, let me see. Okay, you've already added subscribe.
At the bottom. Oh, stupid. Hold on.
So I wanted to suggest
Yeah, I'm listening.
this this title div you have.
Yeah.
This. I was wondering if this image can be outside so that this your text title can contain all the text that we have inside in case we want to reuse it. I don't know if you get.
You go to your YouTube and use it to explain for me.
Okay.
No, go to your YouTube.
Am I sharing my screen? Let me see.
Yes, you are. I can see your screen.
Okay. So what I'm saying is you created a div
Yeah.
called text. Let me see your div. There's a general div you created before the text title. So my suggestion is this image can be outside.
Okay.
Then the text title is another div which is going to cover this is like 90% of
Okay. Okay.
width.
So that the space below the image would be empty by default.
Exactly, because the way it is now, if you're adding more, it might enter this box.
Yeah. I understand that. I understand that. Okay.
With that, with that we can even use it here, all around here.
Exactly. Yeah, we can even use the same thing down there. It's true.
Okay, I'm on your screen now.
why is this button not taking the whole of what I want?
It's not taking the whole text.
Yeah. Have we, okay, we must have used the button before. Okay, I understand.
Okay, it's not good to style an element generally sometimes.
Yeah. This button
Oh,
I and button whatnot. Okay. Let me look for, I need to find out where it is actually. I don't know. One is in our
well,
nav
since
that
this
I'm
is
sure. This one is in our nav. Button
okay.
class search button. So if in place of the but in place of the button tag, if I use this, let's see if, and now our CSS is broken up top. Okay, let me use the beta selector.
Okay.
That is before the button.
Which of the buttons? I think it's better to maybe we should use
The button in the search bar.
okay, but we even have a class for it.
Yes, but the class is not working.
Ah, you use this class and it didn't work.
It didn't work. Oh, I think it should work. I think I know what my
Why did
mistake is. I think I know what my mistake is. I didn't do like
you
this.
know dot dot?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, yeah, it's back.
okay.
And now my button is working very well.
Okay, nice. Nice.
142. So this button, this pan inside of the button, or the whole of the button itself is going to the right, and the
Yeah.
button, the right, right?
Yes, yes, to the right.
Yeah, and the button itself is inside desk title. So desk title.
Yeah.
Fine. It's not go to the right.
Ah,
Oh, I use left. Sorry. Okay. Um, I'm thinking. Okay, let me take this image out and give the div a percentage. Let's say
okay.
10, and then give the rest the percentage of maybe 85 or thereabouts.
Okay.
So
So that's
so this is the video.
good.
So this is the image.
Image. Yeah.
I cut it and then I put it in.
Okay.
Let me create the div.
Okay, so that I can also give it a width.
So the div of this and the div of text title will cover. Let me go back to YouTube.
That is the full width.
Yes,
Full.
this is the full width of Dex. What was the video description actually? So
Exactly.
that is the full width of video description. So now this one will take 10%. and then the rest of and then this one can take like, because I don't want this, this text should not come under this button too. And then this
It
one,
shouldn't. It shouldn't.
come
So
again?
long as it shouldn't. So long as the two are in maybe a P, and then
Yeah.
the text follow.
So I'm thinking if this is a if this is 10, this one can be maybe 75, and then this one can take the rest.
No, you don't even need to put the button in a separate div.
Right, let's continue. Let me see the current progress so that I can know the way to arrange. Okay. Um, the description, then source of the that is avatar. That is the then 90, right?
Proceed.
So if I already floated it to the no,
I think he's having a text align for. Okay, the button is not in a div. It
I
should be in
think
a
it
div.
should be in a div. I think it's in a div.
There's a margin there. I don't know where it's coming from.
It's this margin,
There's,
right?
there's margin, yeah, for that div. For the
Yeah,
full div.
I'm not, no, that div, this div is dex title and shouldn't be there. Did I not save it?
Because dex title image is not inside dex title now.
Yeah, I don't understand why.
Let's check the video description. Let's see.
No,
And the video
it's still showing it as the way it was before. The description. It's, uh, save this and save
Hope,
this.
hope, hope all the divs are closed.
Yeah, it's up. It's up now. That's changed.
Okay.
That's changed. That's changed.
Okay. The auto avatar is taking the
Okay.
full.
Auto avatar. No, it's taking. It's a div. I've not set it in line.
Exactly. Yeah.
So, but it is taking its 10%. If you see this 10%, is the blue part. That's the
Mm.
10%. So I need to find a way to. If I set the style of the image itself to, let me see.
If the width 100%.
Good.
Yeah.
Good.
in the auto avatar inline. No. That is you are changing the div, not the image.
No. I did the div. I'm changing the div, not the picture. Oh,
The div should be 110%. You still need to float it left.
I don't need to. I don't need to float it left. As soon as I set this text title to inline, it should come in.
Okay. It's taking the full width.
Mm.
Hmm?
Percent is good. 36 is good. Width.
But it's not at the top yet, I think.
Come again?
It's not at the top yet. I mean,
Oh yeah, that's true. That's true.
Mm.
That's true. I think I'll work on that. Um, it is text title width of 86%. Next, 86%. And then okay.
Display. You have less than 2 minutes to go.
So this P, I will name it as block. And good.
Hmm?
Um, subscribe. Where is the button again? Already filtered to the right. So
In the image, you need a little margin right. Not close to our. No effect.
it shouldn't be on the image. The mistake is
No, it's on the div. Sorry.
yes.
Yeah, it's taken. Is it on the image?
No. I'm actually moving this part,
Mm. Okay.
but it's not good because this button is moving down too. Can you see?
The button and published, they're on the same line, right?
Yes, they're on right now they are on the same line. But the button is actually bigger.
Okay. Hello?
Oh,
Yeah, I think you lost connection. Maybe.
I have no idea because the Slack the sent entered immediately, and I don't know why.
So we are now using the Git standard. Mhm. It's done?
Yes, no.
Okay. Let me get it now.
As soon as you are done with your pulling, I'll be starting the. Oh, it's almost one. So when it's
Yeah.
one, just hang up.
It's almost our break.
Yeah.
Let's see what we can achieve before then. Okay, I don't think we need the timer because this is not up to 30 minutes.
That's what I'm saying. That's what I said. As soon as I'm done, just go on break.
Yeah. Okay, let me see. All right, I have it. So let me start from here directly. You can see my screen clearly.
Very clearly.
All right. Okay, we have a pad in there that is making it look very big. So
Top and bottom.
just general. The one there is, I hope it's not too big. Not. So we have order.
No,
No.
I think it's actually it's a fixed width, but the padding is the main thing. But this one it looks cool like that too. Remember to change the
Right.
color.
The white, at least. Okay. We are there. And there is a little. This part is bold.
Yeah,
Okay.
you can target that you can target the subscribe and then
Let me
make it
just use a
maybe
span for the other one.
and then make it bold. Then that's where I did it. Then you target the span inside of that button and then you make it maybe give it some
Oh,
opacity.
nice, nice, nice. You already put a span. Nice.
Yes.
Okay. Better. Subscribe button. Where is it? Yeah,
Go
this
down.
is it.
Yeah, that's it.
So we can actually make this bold. Then we target the span and reduce the boldness. So don't wait. I'll give this like
Can we do that on the button?
this is the button.
Yeah, no, I said is it possible to be done on the button? I'm just asking.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
So if I give it 700, so the
Yeah,
span will now
700
have
is
maybe
no, I think they
500.
have the same okay, wait, okay, yeah, yeah, that's good. That's good.
The span, I will now reduce the one of the span. It worked.
Did it take effect?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes.
okay.
So the span will now take a weight of say 500. Front weight of 500. Yeah, that should do.
And then give it some opacity.
Okay. For the front weight for the span.
Yeah, for the span, yeah. Maybe around 0.8.
Okay, that's fine.
Then float it to the right. If you see that, you notice that there's a space between that subscribe and the actual number.
Let's just add a little margin right so that it do not affect left, so that it do not affect our padding here.
Okay.
So,
Is the color the same thing as YouTube's color? That's red. Is the red the same red?
this one that my color picker is not working. Where's it? Let me check. Okay, I think it picked. Let me use this red. It didn't pick. Okay, got it.
You got it?
Yeah. So the color will be this. Yeah, this is the color.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
It's the same now. There's no difference.
It's the same red. All right.
They just
Make it cool. Then it is the color of the white. You can make it FFF.
okay.
And the background too can be F00. The background can be F00. The one on
Only
top.
what?
Yeah, that red. The red, it can be F00.
Ah,
Remove one F.
okay. I removed my style. Let me add it back for the span. hope I still have it there. Hello? Okay. Oh, I need a margin here.
Left. 1px.
PX.
Scale it up if it catches.
Yeah, it's catching.
Okay. This is nice.
Okay. We are almost there. So after this comes a text.
Find a way. No, find a way to put take that button to the top.
This button, eh?
The subscribe button.
Okay, it's on the same line with these two. Okay. Let me see where the HTML. Okay. And we made this float right.
Yes, I think I floated it to the right.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. Let me see why it's coming down.
Or maybe if you put another div inside of it, no class, then target that div. Can do that. But if I think there should be a better way to fix that. I trust you anyway.
It's actually center. Okay. Okay. I think you can do this. It's coming. Okay. Let it be in a div. This already has display inline. I guess.
Yeah, it's going to work. It's going to work.
Okay, I know what's happening. This div, if this is inline, I need to have something else here for these two, for the text. Yeah, I need to have a div here. A div here, so that they should be equal on the same line. Okay. So if you make this,
Yeah, but the button now. The button is not inline. The div on the button.
okay, okay, I get what you mean. This is okay. That won't work. This won't work. They are all block level elements. What have I done here? Get all of them, eh? trying to achieve is after this button, below this, we are going to below this, we are still going to have another paragraph that is cutting across. Let me just show you what I mean.
You can understand. I understand. Instead of me using span for it, I should repeat.
So after this, still inside this,
Yes,
we are
but
having
after that, yeah, that's what I'm saying.
a P, which is cutting even across the whole. To make this work, we need to have what's this?
Let me see if I can get the link to the one we are actually doing.
Okay, the text.
Yes.
This is where something is coming on. You added a style to this P directly. I think so. Is this the text?
Yeah.
Are they having links inside?
And that's where it is.
So the whole of this will be a span. Where let me add the text first.
You know, a span cannot swallow a P. Do you know that?
Oh. I want to separate to make sure that these four are in one place. This is in one place. So let's see
Yeah,
what
we
we
can.
have.
We can.
Okay. Why is this guy coming down? What's happening? It's like we have a style for the P. Let me see. Okay. Display inline block.
It has to be.
Why did you do this?
It has to be inline block. If it's not, it won't accept float.
No, I mean you applied it on the P itself.
Yeah, you know that where I did it, the P and the published, they are together.
Okay. I don't see. Is there a difference? Okay. Let me push this up first.
And if you check the HTML, you notice that I used the line break before I put the. I think the line break is actually the problem we are having.
You don't even need a line break because every P will start in a new line. You don't need this. This one, right?
Yes, that one.
You don't need this.
So make this span a P. The span below. Published on second one, make it a P.
Okay. It's supposed to pick now. Why is it not picking?
Yeah.
That is where the issue is coming. That BR.
Yeah, that be all. So now how do you make this published go to the next slide?
Okay. Okay. So yes, I get what you're saying. If we add a BR here to bring down both the button and the publish on the new line.
Yes.
Okay. Uh, okay. What if we make this? A test can be inside just to check.
Oh, hold on, let's do it like this. Do it like this. Remove it. Yeah. Copy. No. Copy the whole of line 60. Take it under the button. Now let's see. Do the same thing.
You know,
No, no,
a
no, no.
text,
It's even broken.
see, a text, let me show you something. You can actually have a text inside, can you hear me?
Hey there.
Are you back?
Okay,
Okay.
I'm back. I wasn't. I didn't actually lose you, but your screen froze. The video
Oh,
I'm looking at, yeah, it froze for a minute. So
break time is here. I've just seen that. Okay. Well, we can continue from here when we come back, actually.
okay. Just make sure you push this to the repo.
All right.
Right. Can stop the recording now.
Okay. And your timer, clockify.